Hey, Dubwise, if you're having a good time, make some noise right now. There was a hurricane called Melissa that took Jamaica by surprise at Category 5. Ladies and gentlemen, but trust me, the people from St. Louis and all the way to St. John to Westland felt it, for real. Can you imagine losing everything you own? So this event right now is for those people. So we'll ask you tonight to drink a bit more. Okay, but we need the money and we have a goal. And we'll ask you, just don't get too drunk with us. Drink a bit more than usual. Sounds will lead Jimmy Cliff.
Roddy gonna sing. Whoa, hey, long between the song. You can call me the musical Paul. We want to hear it from the Brooklyn Posse. We want to hear it from the New York Posse. We want to hear it from everybody along the sky. We want to hear it from the Brooklyn Posse. We want to hear it from the
Kingston Posse.
We want to hear it from
They come from Kingston, listen up.
This is the song of poets and proverbs.
And the politician is the guns them a bring down. And the crack and the talk them a support the feeling. Me check it out, the bull and them a sing. David Roddy gonna yard beside the corner.